In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track your workouts with Google Sheets step by step. Whether you're trying to build a simple routine, stay consistent with your weekly training, or you just want an easy way to monitor your progress without using complicated fitness apps, this clear and friendly guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and head over to the Google Sheets workout template you downloaded. If you haven't grabbed it yet, then go to this website and download it. Once you open the template, go to the Workout Setup tab. This is where you'll build your entire plan, so take your time here. Start by choosing the muscle group, then write the exercise. After that, pick your number of sets, your rep range, and the rest period between sets. If you already know your starting weight, feel free to enter that too. Add any notes you want, things like tempo, form reminders, or equipment you prefer. Next, continue filling in each exercise until your routine feels complete. And here's a quick tip. Keeping your workout simple at the beginning makes it much easier to track progress later. Once everything is set up, delete any unused rows so the sheet stays clean and organized. Doing this early helps prevent mistakes when entering your workout data. Now go to week 1. This is where you'll actually track your workouts. Each time you finish a set, type in the weight you used and the reps you performed. If you want to leave any form notes or reminders for next time, drop them in the notes column. As you enter data, the total weekly volume will be calculated automatically. Pretty cool, right? The best part is that every new week starts with your previous numbers already copied over, so you can try to beat last week's performance. If you want to update something, just delete the number and enter your new results. Once you've logged data for a few weeks, head over to Performance Tracker. Here you'll see a full breakdown of your progress, total volume, changes from week to week, and an easy overview of how you're improving over time. This makes it incredibly motivating to stay consistent. If you want to customize your template even further, go to the Data tab. To add a new exercise, scroll to the muscle group you want, click the empty cell under the last exercise, and type in your new movement. The same method works for adding new set ranges, rep ranges, or rest periods. Just type them in, and they'll instantly appear in your dropdowns. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a complete workout plan in Google Sheets and track your progress quickly, easily, and consistently. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, feel free to share it with someone who might love a simple workout tracker. Why not make someone's fitness journey easier?